Hi, everyone. I have received a lot of questions about how to do the last part of the 0C.2 solving linear quadratic systems homework assignment on Delta Math. So I'm going to go through one of the problems right now so that you hopefully are able to understand it a little better and turn in your assignment tonight. So systems of equations of a circle/line. So yes, these are a little bit more intense than the ones that we did in class, but I think you are all fully capable. Maybe you just need an example. So this problem says solve the following system for all solutions. So I've got one part that's x plus 2 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 5, and the other one is x plus y equals negative 5. Now, the first thing I need to do is isolate a variable. Realistically, I could choose either x or y in this. I'm going to isolate x for literally no good reason. I could isolate y. I'm just choosing x. So I'm going to write my problem down, and then I'll switch my screen so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So I've got x plus 2 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 5, and x plus y equals negative 5. All right, so there is my problem. You can see it. I'm going to isolate x in the bottom equation. So I'm going to subtract y from both sides. So I get x equals negative y minus 5. Now I'm going to take that value, negative y minus 5, and I'm going to plug it in for x in the top equation. So I've got, instead of x plus 2, I've got negative y minus 5 plus 2. So there's my x plus, and that's squared, plus y plus 4 squared equals 5. Now from here, I have one equation with only y in it, so I'm going to simplify and solve. So from here, I have to simplify this part first. So I end up with negative y minus 3, because I'm combining these like terms, squared, plus y plus 4 squared. Now I have to go through the act of actually squaring both negative y minus 3 and y plus 4. So I'm going to go off to the side up here and do negative y minus 3 squared, which is negative y minus 3 times negative y minus 3. So I've got negative y times negative y is y squared, plus 3y, plus 3y, plus 9. So I end up with y squared plus 6y plus 9. Now I have to go through and square y plus 4. So I've got y plus 4 squared. So that's actually y plus 4 times y plus 4. So I have y squared plus 4y plus 4y plus 16. And I'm getting that through double distribution. So then here I've got y squared plus 8y plus 16. And then I've just got equals 5. So I simplified this square, I simplified this square, and now I can combine like terms. So I've got 2y squared plus 14y plus 25 equals 5. And put the 5 on the other side by subtraction. Minus 5, 2y squared plus 14y plus 20 equals 0. All of that work was to get everything to one side in one variable. So now I have a trinomial that I can factor. I notice that all three of these are divisible by 2, so I'm going to divide by 2. If you don't divide by 2, you should still be able to factor. You're just going to have larger numbers to deal with. So I'm dividing by 2 on both sides. And I get y squared plus 7y plus 10 equals 0. If I factor, The numbers that multiply to 10 and add to 7 are 5 and 2. So I've got y squared plus 5y plus 2y plus 10 equals 0. Take out a y times y plus 5. Take out a 2 times y plus 5. So I end up with y plus 5 times y plus 2. If I set y plus 5 equal to 0, I get y equals negative 5. And if I set y plus 2 equal to 0, I get y equals negative 2. These are my y values. So now I need to plug these into the original equation in order to find my x values. So first I'm going to do y equals negative 5. The equation was x plus y equals negative 5 up here. So x plus y equals negative 5. So x plus negative 5 equals negative 5. I'm going to solve this out, but it's pretty obvious that x equals 0. So x minus 5 equals negative 5. Add 5 to both sides, and I get x equals 0. So that point there is 0, negative 5. And then I've got y equals negative 2. So x plus negative 2 equals negative 5. That's coming from x plus y equals negative 5, that original equation. So x minus 2 equals negative 5. And if I add 2 to both sides, I get x equals negative 3. So that point is negative 3, negative 2. So here are my solutions. 0, negative 5, and negative 3, negative 2. There's a lot of work there, not gonna lie. There's only 2 questions that you have to do like this. So I'm gonna go back to Delta Math. I got 2 solutions. If I got no solution, I would just say that. If I got 1 solution, I'd only have 1 coordinate to fill in, but I got 2 solutions. So I write 2 solutions and I plug in my parentheses. So I need parentheses 0, negative 5. And my other one is negative 3, negative 2. And I want to submit answer. Double check that I plugged it in correctly. Yes. And there we go. So you only have to do 2 of these. They are more advanced, more involved than the other ones. And the only reason they're more involved is because you have to simplify within those parentheses sometimes, and you had to isolate in the linear equation. So hopefully this helps. If you guys still have questions, please email me. I'm hoping to answer a lot of questions through this video though. Thank you.